You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's gamer here with another reaction. Move. Today we are with Skippa. Yeah, man, Skippa with traffic. Yeah, Skippa with traffic. That one I forward out a couple of weeks ago, but I just took a break from the whole making videos and thing for a bit. So we're there now with traffic, Skippa traffic. As you know, I did do a live and react to the whole album. So you can go check it out. I'll be pinning it at the end of the video. Alright. So I'm gonna jump in the one and see where the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 said, man. Let's go, man. Skippa traffic, let's go.
Ooh,
JB, bring up yourself. Buds.
Messiah, the fuck you on, boy?
Yeah. Watch your dog.
You think I'm never average? Now bitches know that I'm a savage. Dog, design upon my fabric. I know I'm rich, remember when we never have it.
Clad. Man locked down a whole showroom, dog. A whole showroom, brother. Rose rice for days. Yo, big up, big God, you know. Yeah.
Messiah, the fuck you on, boy?
Yeah.
You think I'm never average? Now bitches know that I'm a savage. Dog, design upon my fabric. I know I'm rich, remember when we never have it.
Nah.
She got a bad habit. She love the money, I'ma just not understand it. She only like me through the roof, panoramic. In my coupe, just up on street traffic like that. Off-white jacket, started off trapping, part-time rapping, wow. Reach gold status, still love it bad. Swinging my dick anywhere we go.
Anyway.
Got money I seen, she never want me, no, she begging me for put me dick in. She want to call up her friends, type of bitch, you like a fuck, a nigga pushing her beans. She like the money when I take too long, she like the zelly, she no go a Western
Union.
So she no care if me a fuck Susan, cause the hair and the nails, them no cost $2,000.
No.
You think I'm never average? Now bitches know that I'm a savage. Dog, design upon my fabric. I know I'm rich, remember when we never have it.
Yo, the video clean, yo fucking dog. Yo, the video clean, you know, brother. Like, no dirt. No dirt. Skippa, big up your dog. Pussy clap.
Messiah, the fuck you on, boy?
Yeah. Beside the fuck you on, nigga. Any?
You think I'm never average?
No.
Now bitches know that I'm a savage. Dog, design upon my fabric. I know I'm rich, remember when we never have it.
Sure.
She got a bad habit. She love the money, I'ma just not understand it. She only like me through the roof, panoramic. In my coupe, just up on street traffic like that. Off-white jacket, started off trapping, part-time rapping, wow. Reach gold status, still love it bad. Swinging my dick anywhere we go. Got money I seen, she never want me, no, she begging me for put me dick in. She want to call up her friends, type of bitch, you like a fuck, a nigga pushing her beans. She like the money when I take too long, she like the zelly, she no go a Western Union. So she no care if me a fuck Susan, cause the hair and the nails, them no cost $2,000.
I take everything from him.
You think I'm never average? Now bitches know that I'm a savage. Dog, design upon my fabric. I know I'm rich, remember when we never have it.
Yeah.
She got a bad habit. She love the money, I'ma just not understand it. She only like me through the roof, panoramic. In my coupe, just up on street traffic like that. Love a man where I spend pan her. She only listen when the money attack. Shopping spree, she want to run up a cat. Still I give her the pussy when time I go over breath. Street traffic like that. Love a man where I spend pan her. She only listen when the money attack.
Oh, that's how she
Shopping
said.
spree, she want to run up a cat. Still I give her the pussy when time I go over breath. This little bitch me been a tell me dog. But if you're rich, you not go tell her fuck off. She suck it dick and she no care if it's soft. You coulda ugly like a pig, you coulda be a dwarf.
Yeah.
Off-white jacket, started off trapping, part-time rapping, wow.
Dog, I enjoy him video them, man. Can you say, dog, I enjoy him work when I put out there now. You see me? Because of yourself, Skippa. This is a short reaction, as you know. Yeah, this is a short reaction. I just you know. Skippa, bro. Like, Skippa is Skippa, dog. Skippa, respect for the work where you put out with here, bro. The solid project where you put out with here, bro. Every song on it. we like, and obviously we are getting video for them now. So big up yourself, G. You see me continue putting out the work and continue enjoying your music, bro. Yeah. Continue enjoying your music, bro. Like, yeah, do it, fam. Yeah, do it. You see me? No capping. You see me? Yeah. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section, though, and I'll be down there. All right? Peace.
Binds! I know, sir, one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.